Up on the housetop, reindeer paws.
Out jumps good old Santa Claus.
Down through the chimney with lots of toys.
All for the little ones' Christmas joys.
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Up on the housetop, click, click, click.
Down through the chimney with old Saint Nick.
First comes the stocking of little Nell. Oh, dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a doll that laughs and cries.
One that can open and shut her eyes.
Hi, 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 he wouldn't die. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Up on a house top, click, click, click.
Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Look in the stocking of little Bill.
I just see what a glorious fill.
Here's a hammer and locks or tacks.
A whistling ball and a whip that cracks.
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Next comes the stocking of lazy Jim.
What will Santa do for him?
A nice new pair of socks to wear, covered in tinsel with lots of flair.
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Up on the housetop, click, click, click.
Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Mama and Uncle and Grandma too.
All I declare has something new.
Even the baby enjoys his part.
Shaking a rattle now, bless his heart.
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Up on the housetop.
Click, click, click.
Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Rubber, come here, are you all alone? Haven't they tossed you an extra bone?
Here's one to gladden your honest jaws. Now I thank you to Santa Claus.
Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
Who wouldn't go?
Up on the housetop, click, click, click.
Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.